guys, temperature is raised to 110 degrees and turbo is not kicking in after 2000 rpm. This is Volkswagen Vento TDI with DSG gearbox. Let me demonstrate again for you guys and do let me know what is the issue. Right now it's 110 degrees engine temperature. Okay, now when I try to accelerate, you can see turbo is not kicking in. See the speedometer, it's not raising the way it should be. I'm not getting what is the issue behind it. Air conditioning also not working, and outside temperature is around 35 degrees, and this is the overall issue. Whenever the temperature goes down to 100 degrees, turbo starts to kicks in, but as of now it is not kicking in. If you are familiar with this issue, do suggest me something, or else I am sending this car to authorized service center as soon as possible and get my car fixed, because this is a really alarming issue for me. I haven't faced this in last 4 years, but right now I'm facing this issue. As you can see, it's on third gear, and after 2000 rpm, the turbo is not kicking in at all. Did you see that? Temperature, car temperature, engine temperature, and outside temperature. I just turned off my air condition and it's almost off, and outside temperature is still same 34 degrees, and now I dropped my engine temperature up to 95 degrees Celsius. And the thing is, because I am not revving my car much as of now and keeping my car under 2000 rpm, now temperature is decreased to 90 degrees, as you can see. Now turbo is active again. Let me show you. As you can see, turbo starts to kicks in again. So this is probably the temperature rising issue in car, or somehow radiator or coolant isn't working sufficiently. I'm not getting it. As you can see, now turbo is kicking in. You can see the turbo is kicking in. It's flying. Once the temperature drops to 90 degrees, everything is working at normal. Now let me turn on my AC and see how's the response. Now 95 degrees Celsius again. Yeah, so my AC is also back in cooling mode and everything is working fine. But somehow this temperature rising issue can... So after revving my car again above 2000 rpm and tried to kick turbo, temperature raises to 110 degrees Celsius again. And this is a really alarming issue for my car, I think, because somehow something is not working fine. If you have any suggestion or you have any comments on this, please let me know. Thanks for watching.